guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I want to make a farmhouse sign using a clear printable sticker paper, okay? And it's the Silhouette brand, but you can use it with your Cricut. So I have Design Space loaded here on my canvas, so I'm just going to go to the circle with the plus for a new project. That will put us onto our canvas, and what I want to do is I want to upload this file. So I'm going to click upload, left bottom corner. So now I'm going to click browse. I'm going to go to my recents. There it is, and I'm going to open it. Okay, I'm going to save it as a complex, and then I'm going to hit continue right bottom corner. Now I need to turn this in to a PNG, and I didn't have the ability to do it on my computer, so I'm going to hit the wand and I'm just going to click here, and you will see it turned everything into a PNG. Okay, except I think I want that and that. You just have to go in here and kind of clean it up. Just click wherever it didn't do like you want it. And I think I want to leave this other like that. I'm going to do that R in the center and the D in the center and this E. And I think that looks good. So we're going to go continue right bottom corner. And then I'm just going to say cow with farm fresh milk and just hit save. Okay. And I saved it as a print then cut. All right. So now what I want to do, I want to go to my images over here on the left hand side, and I want to click browse all images, and the ownership right here I'm going to hit uploaded, and you will see here's my little cow. This new update has sort of changed the layout a little bit, so I'm going to click on that. It will put a green box around it and go to insert images right bottom corner. And this is really big, and I don't need it to be that big. I want mine to be 6 by 6. So let's see if we can just sort of squeeze this in to get what we want. If not, we can unlock it at the top and get exactly what we want. No, I'm going to go up here out from size, unlock it, and I want 6.00 by 6.00, and we'll lock it back. And I kind of think it needs to, well, it didn't, I have to unlock this. Sometimes it doesn't quite get it. So I'm going to put 6.00 and lock that back. But I think it needs to be a little taller. So I'm going to go unlock it and put 6.25 in height and lock it back, because it needs to be a little taller. I'm going to unlock this corner, and then we can kind of play with it. I think it needed to be a little taller. What is that? Unlock it. I've got to take it up a little. Okay, I finally played with it, and I think I'm going to do the 5.966. I'm just going to keep pulling on this till I get what I think I might like that will look good, and it's adjusting it all the way around. I'm going to try that, and I'm going to lock this back right here. It's 5.827 wide by 6.597 tall, and if you look over here, it's a cut then print. Okay, and I'm using a Dollar Tree picture frame that has glass on the front with like I need coffee or out of the office written on it. Okay, so I'm going to go to make it, top right corner, and I have my printable clear sticker paper in my printer. You don't want to mirror your image this time, so don't mirror it. Hit continue right bottom corner. I'm going to send it to the printer. and I'm going to hit print. And I had to load my clear sticker paper so that it would print on the really shiny side. And I'm going to put my computer on vinyl, and I'm going to put it on custom because I want printable vinyl. So just type in vinyl and you should see, here's printable vinyl. I'm going to star it to make it a favorite and hit done. And then the next time you see me, we'll cut this out. Okay, here is the printable clear sticker paper, and it's silhouette. I picked this up quite a while ago at Michael's, and you want to print it. I have to load mine upside down, so I load this really dull side face up so that it will print on the shiny side, okay? And this is what I'm using from the Dollar Tree, just one of these signs. I've had this for quite a while too. And this one said, I need coffee. So what I did was I just took some Coffee Latte acrylic paint and I just kind of distressed it really lightly, not heavily. You could do whatever you wanted, but I just wanted it really lightly. And I took the I need coffee off of the front with this little scraper. It's like a window scraper. It scraped off very easily, and then I just cleaned it. Now this is the printout that we have, and by it being clear, it's going to look like it was printed on that glass. I love it. Okay, I'm going to use a larger mat because I really don't want to mess this up. I really think it's going to be adorable. And this is very sticky mat. Now we're going to insert this into our Cricut with the blinking arrow. And cut with the blinking C. You could always just cut if you don't have a Cricut. You could cut this. You could print this out on your printer. And then just take scissors and cut around and put it on there. So you don't need a Cricut for this DIY at all. And then it would just be one big clear piece, where this is going to come out in, I think, like sections. So I'll be back as soon as this is through printing. Okay, it's finished. I'm going to eject it. And then I'm going to take this off. Okay, we're just going to peel this off. And it did cut around, but I tell you what, I think I'm going to leave it whole. I think I'm going to put it back on here and try to cut around this cut this down. Then I'm just going to put this right on here and press it in, and I love it. And this is what we have. I think it's so cute. It's hard to see if I put it here, but I'll put it up against my shirt. It is just so cute. Now you could let it go ahead. Like I said, it cut around. I would increase the pressure, and I would maybe double cut this because I don't think I had a really good clean cut. But I was thinking about doing it like this anyway, and you definitely could if you don't have a Cricut. But I think that is so cute, and I love how that turned out. I'm going to put this in my hutch. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will put in the description box below the link for this really cute free printable. And I'll see you on Tuesday with a really cute DIY. So if you enjoyed this farmhouse sign with your Cricut, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye guys.